Years ago, I covered a topic that related to the home electrical grid and how you have devices drawing power continuously. But first, my name is Steve. This is TQA Weekly. Click subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. Click the notification bell to get notifications of future episodes. And click join for details if you want to be part of our private monthly live streams. Now, we're going to be talking about vampire loads on your home electrical grid because now it also relates to not just people that are connected directly to power, but those that have a battery pack for their house. So basically a uninterruptible power supply for their own home, or that have solar panels connected to the battery, allowing them to generate their own power. So it's not necessarily just about the price of your electricity. Although for those that are connected to the electrical grid, this still might save you a lot of money. So these devices that we're going to be talking about are things like TVs, sound systems, consoles, media players, printers, anything that has voice controlled, wireless controlled, or remote controlled. You might have half a dozen, 2 dozen, who knows how many of these devices in your house. Whether or not they're necessarily is up to you. But there is a solution that can deal with any devices that you think are not important. So for things that don't need to be turned on or powered even in a low power state, you can use a specialized surge bar with a master outlet controlling select outlets on these surge bars. You even have versions that have a battery pack called a UPS. This will allow you to turn off unnecessary devices when the master device is not in use. Kind of like having the sound system completely turned off when a TV is not even turned on, and the same for your own computer. How much power can you save though? Now, if you were turning off 12 devices, get this, that had 1 watt of low power mode usage per hour, over a period of 16 hours, you'd be saving 192 watts. That would be 70 kilowatt hours per year. This is presuming that each of these devices are only using a single watt per hour and that it's only a dozen. Like I said, you can have half a dozen, like you can have 2 dozen of these devices in your house. What ends up happening in this case? Well, if you're on the electrical grid, you might be saving a lot of power because who knows how much power each of these devices are using. You're going to have to look that up. But if you're using a battery pack and the power in your area is not completely stable, that might allow you to last a lot longer. If you're generating your own power from solar panels, you actually can last a lot longer by not wasting electricity from the batteries itself. So this is obviously going to be very interesting for anybody who has solar power or has to use a UPS on their house to maintain a constant power level to make everything livable. And of course, if you're on the electrical grid, this might actually save your power. So you're going to have links down below to various products that are related to this that I actually do use. And of course, you'll have the ability to decide whether or not you want vampires burning through your electrical grid, your batteries, and your solar panels. Like if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those who think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com. You can get show notes on this episode, past others, find solutions to other problems, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And of course, I stream on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday mornings from midnight to 3 or 4 a.m. on my Twitch channel. So at twitch.tv/ZDAXIS1981, link down below. I want to see you there. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.